What is going on, guys? It is time for the giveaway. So I have here a list of the 22 people that entered this giveaway. I'm just gonna go old school, put a number generator on the computer, whatever number it picks, that is who our winners are gonna be. So for this giveaway, as I mentioned, I'm gonna be giving away 5 tickets. 2 of these winners are gonna be the ones that win, the merch, the one-on-one mentorship call, and the tickets as well. And the 3 other ones are just gonna be the tickets by themselves. Regardless, if you go to the event, you're gonna be getting merch. So you can look forward to that. Without further ado, let's get right into the giveaway and, good luck to everybody. We're gonna do number generator. Exciting. All right, so 22 people. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start off by doing the 3 winners that are just gonna be receiving the tickets first. And so if you are one of these winners, make sure to comment below. I'm gonna have you either message me on Instagram or just shoot me a text, and we can arrange on how you're gonna be able to get these tickets. Make sure that you are actually able to go, and because obviously I want to give away these tickets to people that are gonna make it, that are gonna put their full attention into something as valuable as what we are providing at this event. Without further ado, all right, so here we have the number generator that I mentioned. So the first one, let's see how this works. I've never used this before. So generate 9. All right, so number 9, as you can see here, my handwriting is a little crazy. I don't know if it'll focus, but we got Anthony Nunez. Anthony Nunez, you are gonna be the first winner. So make sure to comment below, shoot me a DM on Instagram, and I'll get you your ticket right away. And this is exciting, man. This is exciting. So let's do the second one. 16. All right, we have George Trevino. So George, you want to message me or comment below, that way we can get each other's contact information. Congrats on winning your freedom ticket. And I'm excited, man. I'm gonna see you guys all there too. So it's actually my birthday weekend, so that'll be fun. All right, so let's don't know what I just did here. All right, third one, here we go, 20. Abraham and Daya. Abraham, congrats. You are the 3rd winner of our Freedom event ticket. As I mentioned, guys, just make sure to comment below, shoot me a DM on Instagram, and we can arrange to get your ticket. This is a great event to attend, so congrats on those 3 winners. Now let's get into the top 2 winners that are going to be winning the all-in merch, the phone calls, and the tickets as well. Number 10. So number 10, we have Nick Flo. Nick Flo, congrats, man. Congrats. You are our first winner for, I guess, a grand prize. That you win the calls, you win the merch, and you win the freedom ticket. Make sure to comment below, and I'll be sure to get you that ticket. Or what I'll be sending is it's almost like a web form where you submit your information, and there you can actually go and retrieve your ticket. Congrats, Nick. Congrats on being the first winner for the grand prize. So, all right, guys, a little drum roll. We're down to our last giveaway winner, which will be, 18. 18, that is Juan Merlan. Juan Merlan, congrats, brother. You are the last winner to the giveaway. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, make sure to message me on Instagram. For the 5 winners, make sure to message me or comment below, and we can arrange for you guys to get your tickets. And for the 2 winners, I'm gonna be getting your guys' information, so I can send you, the all-in merch, and we can arrange, the one-on-one mentorship calls whenever you'd like. For those of you that did not win in this giveaway, make sure to, blow this video up, comment, like the video, because who knows, maybe I'll just drop a couple more tickets and you might be the winner. So feel free to, comment, like the video, subscribe. So guys, that is it for this giveaway. Congrats on those 5 winners. I'm gonna be, making sure that we are all in contact so you guys are able to get the merch, the tickets, and the one-on-one mentorship calls. Make sure to comment, like the video, and subscribe. If you guys blow this video up, I might be giving away some other tickets. No guarantees, but if I receive a lot of love, then it comes right back around. So if you guys are wanting to attend the event anyways, and want to buy a ticket, feel free to reach out to me, and we can get you squared away. So thank you guys so much for watching. That is it. See you guys on the next one. Peace.